The Wolf at the Door by Charlotte Perkins Gilman. Read for LibriVox.org by Jake Baker. September 2007. There's a haunting horror near us that nothing drives away. Fierce lamping eyes at nightfall, a crouching shade by day. There's a whining at the threshold, there's a scratching at the floor. To work, in heaven's name, the wolf is at the door. The day was long, the night was short, the bed was hard and cold. Still weary are the little ones, still weary are the old. We are weary in our cradles, from our mother's toil untold. We are born to hoarded weariness, as some to hoarded gold. We will not rise, we will not work. Nothing the day can give is half so sweet an hour of sleep. Better to sleep than live. What power can stir these heavy limbs? What hope these dull hearts swell? What fear more cold, what pain more sharp than the life we know so well? The slow, relentless, padding step that never goes astray. The rustle in the underbrush, the shadow in the way. The straining flight, the long pursuit, the steady gain behind. Death-wearied man and tireless brute, and the struggle wild and blind. There's a hot breath at the keyhole, and a tearing as of teeth. Well do I know the bloodshot eyes and the dripping jaws beneath. There's a whining at the threshold, there's a scratching at the floor. To work, in heaven's name, the wolf is at the door. End of poem. This recording is in the public domain.